Topic number 18 is same as the topic number 7. You might have remembered these problems by now. It is about congruency. You need to write the congruency statement. We have done the same problems, in fact, from the same page number, but more problems in the topic number 7. I'll put the link to the topic number 7 in the description because it is more detailed explanation. Please go through it. Now I'll just recall this again. In fact, you need to pause the video now and answer these by yourselves and then check for the explanation. Look over here, A, B, C, B, C, D. Look at these triangles. You can see these lines. If one line and one line, they would mean they're same, they're equal. If it's two lines like this and this is equal. So now all we need to do is write the congruency statement. Now you can use any angle as the reference, a triangle as the reference. I will use this as the reference. Now A, next would be B and C. Now this triangle I've used reference is congruent to what? I can't just write BCD or DCB or BDC. I need to know exactly. So let me write it again. That's a very bad ABC. So triangle ABC is congruent to what exactly? A has one angle. Which angle is equal to A? If you see over here, it is D. So let's write D first because A was first. And which is having two sides? In this triangle, it was B, but in this, it is C, D, C, and lastly, we have B. If you find out two, then the last one is the same one. The remaining one, sorry. So this is the congruency angle. Why? Because A is equal to D, B is equal to C, C is equal to B. And then if you write this congruency statement, there's a shortcut for the lines. Basically, the line AB will be equal to DC or CD. Let's see, AB, CD or DC. It's the same thing. What about BC? The line BC will be equal to CB. Let's see. BC, CB, yes, they are same. And then the last 2 points, AC will be DB. AC, DB or BD. Yes, that is the thing. So just write the congruent statement directly at the beginning. What we have written over here is the same thing, and then figure out the remaining. Same thing over here. Let's see, this is only with lines, no angles, but you can see this is equal to this. So it's very, you can understand that one. Then what about the other things? These two are parallel lines, LK and JM. They have shown, KJ and LJ are parallel. These are equal and parallel. Okay, both the sides are equal and parallel, so they have already given it. Whenever you have parallel lines, you must know alternate interior angles are congruent. So K over here is equal to M. So let's write the congruency statement. I'll write just over here randomly the first triangle, K, M, and J. You can write it any way, but look at the options, okay? Sometimes if I can write this as ACB as well. The problem is option will be written as ABC. All you need to do is your answer will be correct. If it is ACB, then it will be DBC. Okay, these will be correct. You just need to rearrange B and C. If I do swapping between B and C, then I have to do swapping over here with C and B. That's it. So you can easily get it right. Now over here, triangle KJM. Anything would be fine. I'll just write KJM. Now then, here I know J will be congruent to what? I know J will be L, but what is K congruent to? If this is K, it'll be M over here. So triangle M. Then I have J, which is congruent to L because it's right angle. And then lastly, you can write M will be equal to K. So MLK. But now over here, it is LMK. Why? It's not wrong. What we did is not wrong. It's just that they've written JKM first. Now they write it in the alphabetical order. So JKM. And over here, the other one is corresponding to that. So what do I do over here is the option is not there. So I will just swap this J and K and check. J and K will be swapped. Then over here also you need to swap L and M. K will remain as it is because M was same. Yes, this is the correct answer. You can even check the angles and all that and you can easily figure it out. So this is it. And again about the triangle, the placement and everything was done in the video number 7. So please click on the description and just recall it if you want. Otherwise, this whatever you just know how to write it is more than enough. Same way over here. A X, Y, and Z. X is starting with A, 60 and 60, it's B and C. If its degrees are given in terms of numbers, it's very easy. Same way, please do try this, okay, by yourself and then check for the answers. Now over here, this is a polygon. It is not just 3 or 4 sides, it's more than, it's 5 sides over here. Please be vigilant. A would be F, and where we go, B, 108. Where is 108? It's J. C is 111, I is 111, D is 105, H is 105, E is 107 and 107. G. That's it. So that's how we write it. And if they ask you for which is congruent, you should just see them and tell it. And now, for example, all these sides are congruent to each other, but you don't write it directly. You need to write AB will be congruent to FJ, BC to JI, and so on, the corresponding parts. So that is the end of the topic 8, only 1 to 5. So in the next video, we will move on to the topic 19.